In this video, let me show you how to fix Netflix games not loading. Now the main reason why this happens is your device is not compatible. So if you're on an Android device, make sure that you have at least Android 11, or if you're on an iOS device, make sure that you have iOS 16 version. If you have anything lower, Netflix games would not load up. So make sure you verify that first of all. Secondly, make sure that you have enough storage on your device, at least 2 GB of free storage. Then you'd be able to play games within Netflix. Now, if none of these solutions are working out for you, you also need to ensure that you are not using a kid's profile. If you are using a kid's profile, you will not be able to play games. So make sure you switch over to a adult profile. Only then you'll be able to play games within Netflix. Now, if none of these solutions are working out for you, then what you can simply do is just reinstall the application of Netflix onto your device. This ensures that you have the latest version, and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue should also be fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.